Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: license, audience, and assets. First, create the site collection and pick a site template that matches your goals. Once created, set permissions for owners, members, and visitors. Keep roles minimal at first. Then upload your logo and color palette so branding is consistent. This prevents redesign later. Finally, add 1-2 sample documents and a basic navigation bar. These immediate actions produce a working shell you can test and iterate. Now focus on durable structure. Create content types and site columns so metadata is consistent across lists and libraries. This simplifies search and filtering. Once done, design page templates and add web parts for news, documents, and quick links to reduce repeated work. Make sure to enable versioning on key libraries and configure an approval flow for published content. Finally, add a simple Power Automate flow to notify owners on new submissions. These steps scale governance and reduce manual effort. To finish, polish and validate. Run accessibility checks, test on mobile, and tweak layouts so pages render cleanly. Then onboard 1-2 site champions and publish a concise how-to that covers adding content and using key features. This drives adoption. Schedule recurring maintenance tasks like permission reviews and content audits. If users report issues, one key troubleshooting step is to reindex the affected library, confirm managed properties, and ensure metadata is applied correctly. This fixes most search and discovery problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.